In previous tips, we've seen that across multiple platforms, including Windows and Excel, holding down the Control key while dragging and dropping anything that can be dragged and dropped creates a copy instead of moving it. This is inclusive of sheets in Excel as well as cells. In other words, holding down the Control key kind of does the opposite to what it would normally do. Now that's a good thing to remember when you're wanting Excel to do something other than what it does by default. For example, dragging the autofill handle of a number simply replicates that number across those cells. Selecting that same number, holding down the Control key, and dragging the autofill handle generates a series. Dates, for some reason, work the other way around. Selecting a date, dragging the autofill handle automatically generates a series. Holding down the Control key, however, simply replicates that date across those cells. Interestingly enough, if I select both a number and a date at the same time and drag down the autofill handle, it generates a series for both. If I hold down the Control key, it replicates both. Not sure what the thinking was behind these differences. However, all you need to remember is if you want to perform the opposite, hold down the Control key.